Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to add special gift or product in WooCommerce cart page for login user only in WooCommerce WordPress. Before starting, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in cart page and we already login. So we are going to add custom code. Now go to dashboard. On left side you see plugin. So click on add new plugin. So we are going to add custom code and then we are going to add product ID. Then inside plugin write WP code. So this is plugin WP code. Inside header and footer we will use. So you will install this plugin and activate it. And after activation on left side you see code snippet and then you see add snippet. So click on it. And then you see add your custom code. So again click on it. And then you see select the code type. Now select PHP snippet. So click on it. Now create custom snippet section open and then you can add title. And then you see code preview. Now paste code and you will find this code in video description or in comment section. So in this custom code we are going to add product ID. Now you see this is our product ID 5180. Now back to custom code. So you can add your product ID here in two location 5180 and then scroll down. Again you see product ID. Now again add 5180. So if user want, then they can remove product from cart page also. That's why we are going to add product ID in two location. And then you see message. So you can customize this message according to requirement. And then scroll down, you see inside method auto insert location run everywhere. On top you see inactive now active and then click on save snippet. Now snippet created and saved. Go to cart page. So we are in cart page. Now go to my account page and login. So add username and password. So we added username and password and then click on login. Now you see message, a special gift has been added to your cart. If you want, you can remove gift. So it's up to you. We face some issue when we remove product from cart page. After reload, product add again. So in custom code we add some cookie session. Now refresh the page again. Now click on remove product. Now you see product has been removed from your cart. So this is our message. And then you see your cart is currently empty. So in custom code we added cookie session. Now back to custom code. First refresh the page again. So after refreshing, now you see your cart is empty. Now back to custom code. So we modify custom code. We added product ID 5180 and then you see is user login. And then you see our checks added and then you see a special gift has been added to your cart and then you see this product could not be added to your cart. So this is our optional custom message. When we remove product, then you see this message, a product has been removed from your cart and then you see we added cookie session 86400. 86400 second mean 1 day. Now here you see we added is set cookie session. Check if the product has been removed in the current session. So in previous code, when we remove product, after reload, product has been added again in cart page. So that's why we added cookie session. Now you see we added. So you can customize this second according to requirement. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.